Hello friends, do you know what is the dividend option in mutual fund, growth option in the mutual fund, and dividend reinvestment in the mutual fund? So whenever we are going to invest in the mutual fund, some of the options we will face the problems. We don't understand even what is that. So I'm going to explain in a short and sweet way in this video. Let us start. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is the investment for life, and please share, subscribe and like the video and click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. So let us start. In the mutual fund we'll get some of the option when we start investing. In last video I said how you can invest and where you can invest, like equity, debt, tax basis, where you can invest, hybrid. So mutual fund, there when we are investing we'll get two options: dividend option and growth option. So dividend option, growth option, and dividend reinvestment option. What is a dividend option and growth option? Dividend option means in regular interval basis we will get some of the return. Like dividend, it is kind of you will get some of the money, like a small amount you will get from the unit. They will you will invest the amount in the mutual fund, and they will invest in the stocks or some of other companies, and they will get some amount profit. So that time they will pay to the investors. So in some basis, some interval basis they will pay some in quarterly basis, 6-month basis, yearly basis, they will pay some amount, that is called a dividend base. So you can invest on the dividend basis or growth base. What is the growth base? Growth base means you won't get return, you won't get subsequent returns like monthly, yearly. You won't get. They will invest whatever they are investing in the shares, whatever profit they are getting, or whatever profit you are getting from your investment amount, they will invest again that amount into the stock market, and the value will grow. So due to that asset NAV also it will be high compared to the dividend option, because they will, in dividend option they will pay the amount to the investors on the regular interval basis, but in the growth option they won't pay the amount. They will invest on the same way as a stock. In stock they will invest, and the return will be high. In the growth option return will be high, and the dividend option the return will be not that well, because in dividend option we'll choose most probably in the debt, and growth options will choose most probably on equity mutual funds. So whenever you are choosing, if you are, whenever you have doubt where you can go, dividend option or growth option in the mutual funds, that time you can choose if you are investing on the long term basis, you have to go through the growth option, which is return will be the high, and anyway NAV also high, and this is will give you higher return. So but you have to pay tax. If the return you are getting more than 1 lakh, then you have to pay LTCG at the rate of 10%. If you invested already, you can get to know. If you are not invested, you can start investing, so you will get to know. If you want higher return and long term basis, you can go through the equity mutual fund, and you want to invest in the short term basis, you can go with the, most probably will go with the debt mutual funds, which is the, if you are investing for 3 months or 6 months or below 1 year, so it is a short term capital gain. You have to pay tax 15%, and the return will be less. So the dividend option, whenever you are choosing the short term, you can go through the debt mutual fund, and long term you can go the growth option mutual fund. So this is the difference between the dividend option and growth option. A dividend you will get the interval basis returns, and in growth option you won't get that same amount. They will invest in the share, they will invest in the stocks. So this is it guys. If you have any doubt or queries, please message in the comment box, so I will prepare based on that videos. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.